Yeah, this man jump on the track.
Big bad Benz and a Chevy, the big girl to the boss roll. The scammer pull up in the scheme and a brand feud. The bang of them clean when we walk through. Girl say me have the remedy and the sauce youth.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. Play my blood clot DJ, I'm gonna shut a select boy. Hold on a pussy, you know, on a 5 against me thing. Suck on a mama. Hey, yeah, me too. I move from
YouTube gang, you don't know, say, boy, Jambisco, I'm back with another hit, another smash, another and people find see from the title, they don't know what we are dealing with. Yeah, man, this artist is no stranger to the channel. Yeah, man, we do video from this artist such as what? Weather, and what else with big money. Yeah, man, this is Gold God. Yeah, with another track. This track was released at least, to be honest, this track was released like 10 months ago. This track is entitled Dutty Money. This feature Dutty and Korexx. I never really did a reaction to this video, so I wanted to do a reaction today. To be honest, guys, I have heard the song before, but every time I hear the song, it's like it's the first time I hear it. I really like the track, but the video is what we're gonna watch today and check out. I haven't done a reaction to the video, so we're gonna go ahead and check out the video and see what's going on. Should be a really dope track knowing Gold God, you see me, and Korexx is doing this thing too, so should be a really dope track. You feel me? Well, the track is dope. Should be a really dope video. We're gonna check it out today and see what's going on, guys. So yeah, like we always do over here, if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you get my videos as soon as I upload them. For my returning viewers and subscribers, you don't know, enough respect, enough love. I love each and every one of y'all. Y'all really and highly appreciated over here. So you know, I'm growing strong, and it's all because of you guys. Stay tuned. Shout outs and giveaways are coming, guys. Shout outs and giveaways are coming. Coming off of quarantine, giveaways is coming. So stay tuned. I got some dope stuff I'm really gonna start doing soon. So stay tuned. I remember the goal for this year by the end of this 5K subs, guys. 5K subs. So please, guys, you know, please, guys, share, tell your friends and co-workers about it, and family members. You know, we're going strong over here. Prize are coming. We're gonna be doing this channel on YouTube for real. Vlog channel coming soon. It's called Bisco Got Vibes. Go look it up and subscribe. Remember, Bisco Got Vibes. That's the vlog channel. We're gonna do vlogs and challenges over there. Alright? Sorry, excuse me. We're gonna be doing vlogs and challenges and public interviews, all that on Bisco Got Vibes. So go ahead and subscribe. Search it up. I should have it up. If I don't have it up when you're searching it, I should have it up by next week. So definitely go ahead and subscribe and stay tuned for that, okay? So yes, guys, without further ado, we're gonna jump in. This is Gold God and Korexx. This is called Dutty Money. Let's get it.
Load up the market with dirty money. So the crown they are left with dirty money, yeah. The Rolex are dirty money. Finesse club, gold gonna get. Right now I'm feeling good, me making money. Right now I'm feeling good, me making money.
Hold on. Take it from the top. You see me? Take it from the top. What do you feel like?
Load up the market with dirty money. So the crown they are left with dirty money, yeah. The Rolex are dirty money. Finesse club, gold gonna get. Right now I'm feeling good, me making money. Right now I'm feeling good, me making money. Korexx are dirty money. Big bad Benz and a Chevy, the big girl to the boss roll.
I did not even notice that. Hey, I did not even notice that. You see the phone that man I use? That's the old blood clean fridge phone that I'm in jail. So I'm gonna just a long time, I'm chopping up. Hey, but still, a long time that's their phone. I remember when I was younger, my family used to have a grey one, one of the big old grey phone, them bigger than my head, dog. Big old phone, so yo, you see when I have to put it on the hook for the chargers. And the big old I tell you have to press the button with the small ass screen, bro. Yo, and you fuck with all the ink. The ink get messed up on that screen like a half look fun. Real man, I bring back the old school phone them. Bam, that's the first cell phone right there, guys. For all who never born in them times then. For if you're in the 90s, baby, you're not gonna know them things. You're born in 2000, you're gonna know them. So I introduce them to a piece of history in our video. That's why I'm for love music and music video. Because history of them things you don't see in them sitting there, you know. You see me? Just see how we picture right up in the chat.
Right now I'm feeling good, I'm making money. Right now I'm feeling good, I'm making money. Korexx a dirty money. Big bad Benz on the Chevy, the big girls to the boss roll. Let's get my pull up in the scheme and a brand few. The bang of them clean when we walk through. Girl say me at the remedy.
Yeah, I say me love the track, you know. Go God, you watch me blood clan music. Hey, you watch me reaction video. Me rate the track them down. You see your style? Your style I go take you far, you fuck you. You come in a different style. You see them, they beat them, you go on some real island beat, you know. But it's like you turn them beat there in a trap beat there. That's like the Jamaican. Them, you see the beat you're going on, that is the new Jamaican trap. It's not even trap music. You make chop music. You see me? Not trap music. Chop music. I will not get trapped. You see me? We chop. Fuck with them. Chop music. You see me? Them beat that the new chop music for your dog. Big man thing. And when time me hear them song in the dog, I'm go God come on them thing in the dog. The man coming at a different flow, my G. You feel me? The man coming like one of them chop rapper the dog. You see me? Like little baby and the baby and them man. Them cat them put go God in for Jamaica. You see me? I say, cause listen to a man jump on the bomb buckler track dog. You see me? I tell me if I lie, me listen to a man jump on the track.
Big bad Benz on the Chevy, the big girls to the boss roll. Let's get my pull up in the scheme and a brand few. The bang of them clean when we walk through. Girl say me at the remedy and the sauce you.
Go God, I can't beat the man them so bumbo clap bad. Eh? What go on with them do? Eh? You can't just have beat pick this and know you not talk what them do. Tell me what them do, my G. What them do? Eh? It's to bully you in a little. What go on? It's take away your money. What go on? And them used to war. When see the what go on? Come to know you beat the man them so when the man them do you sitting down. You see me go out real hard beat the man them in the game right now. You feel like the man them do you sit. Why you have to come in for the track so clean, my G? Why you have to come in for the track so stylish, my G? Why have you just come smooth for the thing so? Bumbo clap, my G. I'm going it up again. Listen to how the man come in upon the bumbo clap track. Wanna listen to the man choice of words. You feel me? Now I say this right now, no warmer. Bonfire for anybody think on. The man diction, and look up that blood clot if you don't know what diction means. It's in the dictionary. Diction means choice of words. You see me? You see me? Diction is basically not what you say but how you choose to see it. You see me? The words that you chose to convey a particular message. You see me I say? Like for instance, somebody can come up and say hi, somebody else can come out and say hello, somebody can say howdy, how, you know? It's all, they all saying the same thing, but they chose, the word that they chose to use is different. That's diction. You see me? The man could say anything, but look how the man come, the man choice of words, the man put them song name just different, my G. You see me? The man talk like someone of them chopper, them chop up and up your dog, but they be talking materialistic and shit. I not say no. I say people be materialistic, you know, but you know, people have nice things. And well, an example of that. Listen, the man just talk about the thing, man. The man just make the thing just sound. The man just make the thing do up there, listen.
Big bad Benz on the Chevy, the big girls to the boss roll. Let's get my pull up in the scheme and a brand few. The bang of them clean when we walk through. Girl say me at the remedy and the sauce you. Bag it full up and lead like we got school. Girl can't give me the pussy and me go talk you.
Bumbo clock gun salute the man. Clap him. Clap him. Bumbo clock. Clap man down. For real. Oh God, let's start singing on my Jeep. So when you come up with the first tune now, how the tune name again? I have to look it up. Sorry no, but when everybody thinks you're alkaline. You see me? From them time I say you see the brother got hard. Because man just come out and the man sound like one of the top blood clot artists right now. All you have to do is just differentiate. And it's not that people couldn't tell that you was a different artist, no. People knew that you were a different artist. But because they didn't know who you were, and your style so sick, they don't say alkaline. They don't say you're different, but they have no proof of who you is, or if he's an actual artist. People say you're alkaline, because we don't know who this brother. We don't know where he come from. The man just drop the tune and the tune was mad, and get shot, and he sound like, we just say alkaline. That's how but see, they start differentiate the thing now. People here they know say you go got that. I don't know blood alkaline. Just that sick the G. Yo! I take it for the top. After this I play a tune because I don't know say my subscriber them vex. You know no vex. I'm sorry. 10 minutes I would still let it intro. Yo, Buckley, go God.
Right now I'm feeling good, I'm making money. Right now I'm feeling good, I'm making money. Korexx a dirty money. Big bad Benz and a Chevy, just because I the boss roll. Let's get my pull up in the scheme and a brand feud. The bang at them clean when we walk through. Girl, I say me at the remedy and the sauce youth. Bag it full up and lead like we got school. Girl can't give me the pussy and me go talk you. Badness genuine like dog sports and dance with me in the game. I'm a glad too. I see so dear what you do. Well alright. Boy dead when the cock up perform. Girl it chop on my neck so you put your cut on. I say that creed and I never am on. Yeah. I can't pass up on the sun.
Hey, play the man them, man beat designer yard, so I come clear the man them. You see me? I know say no found feel like say yo, rich people like yeah Jamaica now. Yeah, rich people like Jamaica too, and brand they too. Be able to bum buckle itself. Say Lil V the man them rap. Be able to bum buckle itself and Gucci. Be able to bum buckle itself and listen to it.
Let nothing like it, she just put up off.
Hold on, I would have got it.
And then swinging in the game, I'm a glad too. I see so dear what you do. Well alright. Boy dead when the cock up perform. Girl it chop on my neck so you put your cut on. I say that creed and I never am on it. Yeah. I can't pass up on the sun. Nothing million, nothing.
Hold on there. Get out from the camera, oh go on.
My neck so you put your cut on. I say that creed and I never am on it. Yeah. I can't pass up on the sun.
Buckler. Girl nice youth. Buckler, baby. Yeah. Yes. I would have Keisha out the flat tomorrow. Miss Walker wine, I would have. Buckler moving heavy. Buckler. Yeah, babes. Yeah, man, I like it. I love it. Yeah, man.
The million nothing like it, just she just put up off. When I live large, pop it up on a rap. Nah, chatty thing, never stop it in a scheme and a brand feud. The bang at them clean when we walk through. Girl, I say me at the remedy and the sauce youth. Bag it full up and leave like we got school. Girl, can't give me the pussy. See ya, me go talk you, not that. Badness genuine like that.
Me not blame you, youth. The way I do, me not gonna lie still do, dog. Them the kind of, you have to use a whole hand for them, the dog. Your whole hand, brother, you can't just have the whole hand, brother, to get a hand heap. You see me, I have to do like, you know, when I play a sport of basketball, like, yeah, man, the finger, you have to stretch out. And hey! Calm down.
Food fresco, swinging in the game, I'm a glad too. I see so dear what you do. Well, alright. Pull up with the BM and every girl my dead I'm missing. Whiter than the bread and me cleaner than a whistle. Money nothing on me and every girl follow me too. If you try to violate every banger there, so listen like one in the head and if you chat something I'll lick you. The scammer them when they are
one in the head and if you chat something I'll lick you. Hey boy, hey.
So I chop whiter than tissue. J-Nex you know if you get a new pussy and no issue. Roll out in the royal crown and pull up in the slum and a brand feud. The bang at them clean when we walk through. Girl, I say me at the remedy and the sauce youth. Bag it full up and lead like we got school. Girl can't give me the pussy and me go talk you. Badness genuine like dog smooth and then swinging in the game. I'm a glad too. I see so dear what.
Guys, sorry, I apologize. I have too much fun. I'm having too much fun, guys. I apologize. I didn't even ask you what y'all think of the track. So you know how we do over here, guys. If you think the song is fire, go ahead, drop the fire emoji. You feel me? If you think the song's garbage, drop the trash emoji or the shit emoji. But yeah, I have to be honest, this is a banger. Even though it's been released, man, it's a banger that this song should have way bigger than it was, man. You see me, the man them style them different, dog. You see me, go God and Korexx. Yeah, man, only if you collab again, cause this be mad. You see me on the words and style play off on it very well. You see me? Cause man just come in panic trap, man. Scammer pull up in the scheme and a bra feud. The bang at them clean when they walk through. The girl say we got the remedy and the sauce youth. I mean. Gun salute the blood clan, man. Bumba clan. Yo, you already know. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Turn on notification bell for upcoming videos. Returning viewers and subscribers. I love y'all. Y'all the best. You feel me? Yo, look at your back in the truck. Yo.
So you do well, alright. You know the badness going on.
Hey.
4 corner. Up on the ground, middle of the sun. Poof poof in the one chop. Yo, Genix, yo, Zedna. Korexx, tell them so the game can't stop, you know. God's the man that ice them out there. You know the whole chopping.
Hey! Hey! Oh, God. Decent bang, you know. Oh, God. Yeah, them nice. Easy, mama. Easy. Yeah, man. Bumbo clot. Yeah, man, people. Really dope chop from none other than Gold God and Korexx. Yeah, man, go ahead and check him out. You don't know what time it is. Go check him out at Gold God Music on YouTube. Show him some love, man. Really dope artist. Nice style, nice lyrics. I don't know. I really dope chop, man. I'm not gonna lie, man. Mad tune. Gold God build up a damn self. Korexx build up a damn self, guys. Well, you don't know, guys. You see me? Let me know what y'all think, like always. You know, new viewers, please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on notifications of future videos. We got upcoming shoutouts and giveaway coming, so you want to stay tuned. Turn in views and subscribers. I love you guys. You guys are the best. We're going strong. The videos are getting views, man. I love you guys so much. I don't even know. You know, so I can't wait for me to blow up and get bigger again, man, so I can start doing like some dope shots for y'all, like some. Y'all don't understand, man. Like the level I'm trying to get to, like I just want to get to a level where I can give back, you know, help do shoutouts and giveaways and stuff like that. You try to get subscribers and trust me, I got a lot planned. If we ever get there, we just gotta have faith and see where it goes. You know, that's all it is. Just have faith and trust the process and see what happens. You know, we're just gonna try to get better. That's all I can do. You know, just try my best. I love you guys. You guys are the greatest. You guys are the reason why I do what I do. You know, because if you guys not watching the videos, why would I be doing it? I would be posting videos on YouTube with no views. You know what I'm saying? Nobody's entertaining or making anybody like better. So thank you guys. You guys are helping me, giving me motivation so I can continue to do. Because I love doing this. You feel me? But what's the point of doing it? And I mean, I do love doing it, but we do it also for people to enjoy and entertain other people. You know what I'm saying? So I really appreciate everything y'all doing for me. I've been keeping me motivated so I can keep going. You know, I'm not a quitter. You know, I definitely I'm definitely not a quitter. I'm not saying like I was quitting or quit. But just know you guys are valuable. I really do value. I appreciate everyone. Y'all from day one. You feel me? I gave me a chance at day one. When I'm just starting out, I'm trying to get better. Y'all giving me a chance. I appreciate y'all. I hope I don't disappoint y'all. You feel me? I just want to get better. Thank you guys for everything. Love and support. I mean, y'all got artists such as freaking Wops, Skilly Bang, Takeover. You feel me? I have artists like that I mentioned. Even vloggers like Soa Vlogs, Stuck on an Island Vlog, SOAI. Yeah, even him give me a shout out YouTube, man. And it's all because of y'all. You check my video and give me a shout out. I really appreciate. I know if you're watching my vlog, so I vlogs. I don't know if you're watching right now. I really appreciate you, man. I've been watching your vlogs for a long time, 2 years plus. Man. I really love the recipes, everything you've been doing. Man. I really appreciate it. I just want to thank you. And yes, guys, just love you guys. You know, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, it's your boy Jambisco. Until next video, please stay safe. Take care of each other. I love you guys. See you in the next video.